The journey from the warehouse to the customer begins at the packing bench, where picked items are placed into boxes and envelopes for shipping. Hands-free, high-speed Zebra fixed industrial scanners check every item and label, confirming the order and validating content. A Zebra linerless label printer quickly produces self-adhesive shipping labels, easy to apply even wearing gloves, with no peeling and no waste. Our software enables fast, accurate code reading, with flexibility to add vision tools for inspecting labels and packages. Zebra machine vision and fixed industrial scanning take valuable seconds off every task, increasing productivity up to 33% over conventional solutions. Accelerate your packing and shipping activities with Zebra Machine Vision.